Your overall well-being and health depend on your digestion abilities. Eating star fruit, carambola, helps increase digestive power. Hemorrhoids, also called piles, are swollen veins in your anus and lower rectum that cause discomfort and bleeding. Papaya is good medicine for hemorrhoids. Eating beetroot regularly helps in forming new blood. Heart palpitations are feelings of having a fast beating, fluttering or pounding heart. Eating a pear daily will relieve heart palpitations. Figs can be eaten regularly to gain physical strength.